What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got two stories for you, one question, so let's get into it. Our first story of the day has to do with the Galaxy S24 Ultra and an improvement coming to the camera that I think it's going to make a lot of you happy, especially you guys that like to zoom in on your photos. It looks like that's going to be getting a somewhat nice little upgrade. So here's the information coming from Ice Universe, who says that the answer is 3x. I have full confidence that the S24 Ultra has improved the performance of the 3x camera, which means that the image quality of 3x all the way up to 10x will bring a significant improvement. So I know me myself, I don't always jump into these photos thinking, I'm gonna zoom all the way in. I do sometimes, but I do, I guess, enough to where I would want it to see some kind of improvement and some kind of change to it. Cell phone cameras can always get better. Anything can almost get, everything can get better, but cell phone cameras especially, because you're not getting the full suite of a traditional DSLR camera and all that hardware built into this big device. Then you got a cell phone that's a lot skinnier, a lot smaller. So it's gonna be a nice little improvement right there. I can't wait to try that out on the S24 Ultra. And speaking about Samsung Galaxy phones, our next story has to do with repairs. If you've ever had to deal with a Samsung Galaxy repair, a lot of the time you have to sometimes, wait days or weeks to get this thing back, or you have to send it off to Samsung. Even if you bring it off to a local repair center, sometimes it'll get done the same day. But again, there's times where they just can't fix it, like from the Asurion store. Well, it looks like Samsung's trying to fix that. So the latest information coming directly from Samsung, and this is, I'll link the article down below. It says Samsung and You Break It, I Fix by Asurion team up to bring enhanced device care to even more people nationwide. And they go on to say that flagship stores will be outfitted with additional Samsung repair equipment. They're talking about Asurion, including specialized repair jigs and increased inventory stock by model and color. Stores will be able to deliver best-in-class service on Samsung devices handled, more repair volume, and even more repair types not available in other You Break It, I Fix by Asurion stores. Flagship stores will kickstart any pilot initiatives before they expand nationwide and even help Samsung test and training on new repair types prior to rolling out to all Samsung authorized repair centers. Samsung says these flagship repair locations will be opening throughout the rest of 2023, starting with locations in Dallas, Houston, San Antonio, Orlando, and Los Angeles. Now, I absolutely love this. I think this is a great thing. When and if you break your phone, you want to get it back as soon as possible. A lot of people don't have a backup device that they can use in the meantime, and Samsung, unfortunately, and nobody else does either, generally doesn't give you a backup device to use while your main phone is being repaired. And as you know, cell phones are our lifeline to the world at this point. And I also want to add on, I like this, but at the same time, I wish Samsung would kind of follow Apple's route and open up more stores. I know Samsung has stores, but open more. Like, I know it costs money, but it would help with the brand. And you sell everything just like Apple does, from computers to, you guys sell TVs and home appliances and everything else. Or just make it a mobile electronics type store like Apple does. But it's and you could do repairs there. I would love that. I think that would make it, it would create the brand loyalty even better than ever. So we'll see what they do with this. This looks promising, though, at the very least. Comments down below. Let me know your experience with getting your repair fixed through Asurion. If you've had issues or not, let us know in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's jump into our Q&A. Nick is saying that he pre-ordered his Fold 5 through Best Buy the day it was announced. He's wondering if it will arrive early. I would guess not. From what I've seen with Best Buy in the past, you get it the exact day that it comes out. So delivery or pickup, it's most likely going to arrive on August 11th. Thanks so much, guys. If you have a question, leave it in the comments down below. Put #question and then ask your question. We'll get an answer tomorrow. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.